to the Holy. Amen. Okay, come.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's a day to me. We are all doing fine. If you are new in my channel, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. In this channel I talk about life experience, lifestyle vlog, and I used to show my small cooking in this channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post any video, you'll be the first person to see it. Yeah, today you can see I'm not even talking at all. So I need to fold this laundry. Yeah, because my baby is not sleeping here. Anytime I put her there, she'll just cry. So just use the opportunity to be putting the cloth there. So yeah, I'm folding them. You can, as you know, the kids are still in holiday for Easter. So they're in the sitting room now. Because I've already taken the lunch, but I haven't eaten anything since. You can see. So when I'm done here, I'm just going to make the lunch for them. Yeah, so let's work together.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
I'm tired. This baby is still sleeping. So now I want to go and make lunch for the kids. Yeah, I'm still thinking what they can eat this afternoon. Maybe I should prepare pasta or rice, or I should make soup for them, vegetable soup. So let's go. Yeah. As I get to the kitchen, I saw some water on cabinet. I was like, where this water is coming from? So to be assured, and I was touching everywhere, I realized it's from the electric boiler, which is Cadaya in Italy. So it has stopped working, it's not hot anymore, so I'm trying to reset it back. I always reset this back. If I'm not at home, they need to wait for me. So I normally reset it by myself. So the water is not hot, and I'm trying to set it back. Then instantly it works. So I just go on and clean my small balcony. Then I make sure that I wash all those plates. Then I clean the kitchen. Then I start preparing food for the kids.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me to the top?
it.
Will you carry me to the last
So after lunchtime, I asked them to go and take nap. Trust me, they did not sleep, they just stay in their room. So this is past 3 o'clock. Then I called them that we should do some lesson. So I gave the senior one minus and plus, and I was teaching him how he will get the answer. But a sister, I just gave her some thing that I know she can handle. Yeah, and then I was playing with baby.
Like this. Take this. Then you put it here. Take this. Take this. Sarah, look. Hey, put it here.
Which one is this? Mom. It's already happy.
Wow. Beep, 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 beep. Wow.
I'm finished.
Number 2 count.
So after the mathematics, we went straight to dictation in English. So it got some, but it did not got some because it's English language.
Play. Book. You need to learn.
So this is what I gave my baby girl. After that, I was going through the mathematics if we got it right. But out of 20, you missed one.
10 minus 2. Okay, 5. 7, 3, 2, 2, 4, 9, 7, 1. Okay. 9, 12, 11, 10, 11, 9, 10. 7, 6, 7. Then why did you put 13? This way, this here you miss it.
So after lesson time with the kids, the daddy came back from work. So I just used the opportunity to drop the baby and I went to throw the bottles. So I just let me make this baby get hair. It's been a while I make her hair. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you on my next video. Bye.